Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have some mail to open, but I wanted to show you, what did they do to that? I mean, come on, what did they do? Let's open it up and see what's inside, and if, oh boy, I hate to, I don't know what's in here, so I hate to just, oh, I'll tell you, always open your packages on camera. That way you have proof of not only how it arrived to you, but what the heck is this? Oh, I know what it is. Okay. But if there is a problem, well, that's a fancy looking thing. Nail polish is getting so expensive. This does not look like the color that I ordered. Okay, it is. Nail polish is getting so expensive, and I don't like gel. I like enamel. So I ordered some from AliExpress to see how it does. I cannot believe that well, it used to be $1, but the $2.97 fingernail polish that I have bought for I can't tell you how many years is now over $5, and it's really irritating. Every time I go in Walmart, the prices are up. Oh, and AliExpress too. Oh, look, I got another one. Cool. Okay, this is smaller than I thought, but you know what? Not even going to deal with that because I won't reuse that. It's too tagged. This is, I used to wear this all the time. It's like metallic mirror shine. Yeah, it's called mirror. Love it. Avon was the first one that came out with that when I was working at Avon, or I was in Avon, very successful Avon salesman when those came out. I have a dry throat. We have been getting a lot of AliExpress, and there's a reason. Our mailbox is 1/3 mile walk for us, which is nice daily. But it's been hot, and when you go down and there's nothing in it, these are really nice boots. Darren always says, babe, you're not ordering enough. All right, let's see. Oh, where's the pink pair? The pink pair is not here. I ordered 3 pairs of these, I know for a fact. So let's see if this is the pink pair. Oh, here they are. Oh, here they are. Yep, that's all in that one. And let's see what else. So that's why I've been having so many. Actually, it's stuff I want. Like I said, the price is going up. And so if you want something and you have the money, you should buy. Flea comb. Anybody else having trouble with fleas this year? Our outdoor cats, we've been treating them and combing them and carrying on, and we're about to get to the bottom of it. But I hate using chemicals. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I wanted to show you this. I got this at Dollar General on one of our bicycle trips. Dollar Tree is $1.25 now, which is a 25% increase. And you can only get 4 items for $5. However, Dollar General has a lot of items for $1 that make really cute doll props. Well, and all kinds of stuff.